Hello friends. Today we are going to see a story which is written by Ruskin Bond, by the Ruskin Bond, and the name of the story is The Thief's Story. So this is a very beautiful story, a very sensitive story, and the main crux of the story is that the virtues like love, kindness, compassion, these virtues has the power to transform a person. So in this story, there are two characters. One is Anil and one is the thief, so-called, whose name is Hari Singh. And these virtues of Anil, they transform a thief into a gentleman. So this is a very sensitive story, and we are going to read it first and then I'll tell you the meaning of all. So the name of the story is The Thief's Story. Now you would question why the article the is used. The article the is used to tell us that it is a story of a particular, of a specific thief. So we have used the article the. So we use the when any noun is having a specific meaning. Okay. So let's start. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. So when this story occurred or when this situation happened, at that time the narrator, now who is the narrator of the story? He is a thief. So he is telling very clearly in the first sentence itself that I was still a thief. The word still is used in order that after this story, after the incident, he is no longer the thief, but now he has transformed. So he was still a thief when he met Anil, and though only 15, means he was not that much old, he was just of the age of 15, but still he was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Now there must be a question mark. Oh, a boy just of 15 years of age, but still his experience, means see how many robberies he might have done, and a fairly successful hand, means he was good in his job of robbing. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. So the place where these two characters of the story met, it was the wrestling match. He was about 25, a tall, lean enough for my, he was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. So what happened? When they both met at that time, Hari was of 15 years of age and Anil was of 25 years of age, about 25. Now see, what are his physical character? So he is tall, he is lean enough. Lean enough means thin, but he is strong enough. Lean enough for my purpose. Okay, so what was the purpose of Anil? That he wanted to do robbery. And he looked easygoing. Easygoing means tension free. Okay, so he looked easygoing, tolerant, kind means loving, and simple. Okay, no attitude at all. And thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So when can you rob anybody? First of all, you have to befriend that person. Yes, you have to make friendship with that person. Then you have to, you should be trustworthy. Yes. So what he said that I hadn't much luck of late, means what had happened in few days or in some days he was not able to find any person, any prey to rob, and thought I might be able to get to get attention of this young man, so that he would be able to rob. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. So what did Hari said? Now see, he has to start with the communication, right? So what he said, you look a bit of a wrestler yourself. Now see, what is the physical characteristic of Anil? He is tall, he is lean fellow, means he is a thin fellow, okay, easy going. Now what he is saying, Hari, now he has to start the communication, okay, and what is the common topic in both of that? That they are watching a wrestling match. So now in order to start the communication, he said, you look a bit of a wrestler yourself. A bit means somewhat, not completely, but somewhat. I said, a little flattery helps in making friends. Now first of all, what is flattery? Flattery means insincere praise. Insincere praise means it's false praise. Yeah. So what he said, that little flattery means he thought that if I would say something about this Anil's interest, so that he might get impressed and it would be easy for him to make friendship with him. So a little flattery helps in making friends. Okay, so now see, with whom do we make friendship? We make friendship with those with whom we actually share interests. So if we both of us share interests, then we will talk on the same topic, and even the next person will feel, hey, this person is having interest in the same topic, so we can have a nice communication with each other. Yeah, and usually we make friendship with people with similar thoughts, people having similar thoughts. Okay, so what was, he had a strong conviction that a little flattery, not much flattery, because if somebody does a much flattery, then what happens? The next person, he understands, this is doing flattery and there must be some motive, better not talk to that person. So do you, he replied. Now see the reply of Anil. Even Anil did flattery. Achha, he also did flattery. So he said, you also look like a wrestler. Now see, Anil was not that, Hari was not that much strong, okay, but still he said, which put me off for a moment, means I lost my interest. He's also doing flattery with me. So, which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. Means he was not a strong person, but he was thin. Again, see what he's saying, at that time. Means it would have happened that he might have gained weight now. Okay. Well, I said modestly, means very humbly, I do wrestle a bit. So what did he say? I do wrestle a bit, very little. What's your name? Anil asked. Hari Singh. I lied. What happened? Anil asked his name, and what name did he say? Hari Singh. I lied. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. Now see, what happened? This narrator, he keeps on changing his name so that he can't be traced. He can't be arrested by the police for his previous robberies. And also see, I took a new name every month, means he used to